everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am super excited to be bringing you my very first Christmas soap of the 2018 season. I'll be working with a fragrance that I haven't used before, and it's called Snowman Poop. Of course, if you've seen any of my older videos, you probably would have heard me rant about how I don't like the word poop in the name of a fragrance. However, all of that aside, the fragrance smells delicious. It's actually very fresh and definitely reminds me of wintertime up here in the north. Whenever I do Christmas soaps, because I'm intending to be at a couple of Christmas shows this year, as well as doing a fundraiser series, I tend to break out my 20 bar molds, and I will usually pour 2 of them per soap batch. So this one, the intention is to have a mostly white soap with some different blue accents. I've got a really cool sprinkle mix for the top, as well as some melt and pour snowflake embeds. So I think this is going to be a really cute soap. Because the fragrance is so approachable, I think this soap is going to appeal to a very wide audience of people. If you enjoy my videos, please remember to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. If you don't already follow me on social media, definitely head over to my Instagram account, because that is where you're going to see a lot of the behind the scenes footage. So pictures of me getting soap batches ready, pictures of new products I'm trying out, things like that. So I think you'll enjoy it. My handle over at Instagram is @NorthernWatersCleansing. Definitely follow me over there at Instagram. And I guess that wraps up my preamble here. So I'm gonna get into some soap making, and I hope that you stick around to watch.